So, some questions I got after flying over the airport. How do you unlock a no-fly zone? Well, it's actually quite simple, and for those of you who haven't done it, I'm going to show you. The weather's not great today, but I think we've got a bit of a break in the rain, so I thought we'd take out the Phantom and let's unlock a no-fly zone. Cue the music. Please consider liking and subscribing. Well, here today the weather's a lot better. We're at the Helsinki Olympic Stadium, built in 1938. It's just been given a recent renovation and is looking rather stunning. It is a no-fly zone in the DJI Go and the DJI Go 4 and any other DJI applications, but it's not a no-fly zone in the Aviation Authority, so it is safe to fly only when there's no events so like football, athletics or concerts. So we're going to go through the process of unlocking a no-fly zone and show you how that is. It's a bit windy today, it's about 9 meters per second with gusts at about 14 meters per second, but we're going to fly the Phantom, so it should be okay. So let's go. If you open up DJI and look at the no-fly zones, you will see certain places that will be no-fly zones, and you'll see places that are advised as no-fly zones. So here we have the Olympic Stadium, and this is a no-fly zone in DJI, but not in the aviation sector. Under aviation application that we use to announce our flights, whether it's drones or gliders or even light aircraft, you can see that there are no fly zones marked in red, but if you look right in the center, you can see the Olympic Stadium and it's okay to fly there. So we know that it's an okay place to fly, so it differentiates from DJI. So when I open up DJI Go 4, I immediately get notified that I can't take off because it's a no-fly zone. So I want to be able to start the props, and then I'll get the notification which will ask me, do I want to fly in a restricted area? I would get an SMS notification as well, but I already have this done, but I can show you that now. So I'm just unlocking, everything's okay. So, but this is what it would look like if I would get SMS notifications, and these are very, very important. I'm going to announce my flight on Avia Maps. I've already done it in advance, but you can see here, there's a little drone mark there. That's my drone. So I've announced my flight so that people know that I'm going to be flying in the area at this time, on those heights as well, and this radius. So you can see everything there. So we're good to go. I've done my pre-flight checklist, which you can have a look at here. And we can see that we are really safe to fly now. So everything's been done, everything's been unlocked. I've announced my flights. So let's go. there you have it. It's not that difficult to unlock a no-fly zone. I wasn't given the option to have an SMS verification sent to me because I was flying here recently, so it must still be open, but I had to verify just within DJI itself. So it's fairly simple. I hope you enjoyed that. Next video is coming up, and we'll see you soon. Fly safe.